Reasons why you should stop. Reason number one is because when you do stop, it allows you to start again properly. Some of you in this very room, you've given up on certain desires that God placed in your heart because you started the wrong way. The word says, zeal without knowledge is not good. How much more will hasty feet miss the way? So stop, so you can start again properly. I mean, when Usain Bolt runs the race, he doesn't just come and running off from the stands. No, he gets to the starting line, and then what does he do? He stops. He wins the game. But you got to stop before you start. Alright? Number two over there, reasons why people should stop is because when you do stop, it enables you to take the lead diligently. The blind cannot lead the blind, lest they both fall into the pit. So you got to stop and check. Listen, am I blind here? Lord, please open my eyes so I can see. Bah, they're open. Okay, cool. Let's go. Bah, there you go. Number three, reasons why you should stop is because when you do stop, it allows you to optimize effectively. To make the most of what you have. You're able then to maximize the minimum, which leads to increase. And then last, number four over there, why you should stop, because when you do stop, it allows you to prioritize accordingly, which results in you achieving successful success. That was not a spelling mistake. That was intentional. Because it is possible for you to be a successful failure. For example, imagine you work your whole life up this ladder, and then you get to the top and you realize, that ladder's up on the wrong wall. It was supposed to be that wall over there. So when you stop, it enables you to prioritize now accordingly so that you can achieve successful success.